Understanding the phrase, sumo stance, in English. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore an interesting phrase in the English language, sumo stance. This is a phrase that you might encounter in various contexts, and understanding it can enrich your English language skills. So, let's dive in and explore what it means. The phrase, sumo stance, refers to a position or posture that is reminiscent of a sumo wrestler's stance. Sumo wrestling is a sport originating from Japan, where wrestlers take a distinctive wide-legged and low squatting position. This stance is characterized by the legs being spread wide apart and the body lowered into a squat. The arms are often extended or placed on the thighs. When we use this phrase in English, it usually means someone is standing or positioning themselves in a way that resembles this sumo wrestler's posture. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. The football player took a sumo stance to show his readiness for the challenge. 2. In the exercise class, we were asked to adopt a sumo stance for the squats. 3. The bodyguard stood in a sumo stance, looking imposing and ready to act. In these examples, sumo stance is used to describe a position that indicates readiness, strength, or stability. It's important to note that sumo stance is often used in a figurative or metaphorical sense. It can be employed, in sports and fitness, to describe a particular way of standing. In everyday language, to convey readiness or stability. Sometimes humorously, to describe someone taking a very firm, unmovable position, either physically or metaphorically in an argument or discussion. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of sumo stance in English. Remember, phrases like this add color and depth to your language skills. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to adopt your own sumo stance in learning English. Strong, steady, and ready for anything. Until next time, keep learning and see you in the next video.